In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first Microsoft Copilot 365 agent, specifically designed as a customer care agent. This easy-to-follow tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a functioning AI-powered customer support agent by the end. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 Copilot and hit enter. This will bring up search results related to Microsoft's innovative Copilot service. Your next step is to click on the official Microsoft 365 Copilot website, which should be one of the top results. This web page is your gateway to creating and managing your AI solutions within Microsoft's ecosystem. Once you've landed on the Microsoft 365 Copilot site, look for the Create Agent button and click on it. This will initiate the process of setting up your new agent. Following this, you'll need to click on the Configure button to start the customization of your AI agent. Now, let's give your agent a unique identity by assigning it a name. In this case, we're going with Customer Care Agent. This gives your AI a specific role and persona, which is important for branding and operational clarity. Next, you'll need a description for your agent. Here's a suggestion: an AI-powered customer support agent that answers FAQs, provides troubleshooting steps, and offers polite, accurate help based on customer problems. This description helps clarify what your agent is capable of and sets the expectations for anyone interacting with it. Moving on to instructions, think of them as the guiding principles or the code of conduct for your AI. You might want to write something like, a polite, knowledgeable customer support AI that answers FAQs clearly, guides users with structured troubleshooting, asks clarifying questions when needed, and provides calm, concise, fact-based help without speculation. Remember, clarity here will directly influence your agent's effectiveness. With these elements set, it's time to bring your agent to life by clicking on the Create button. Congratulations! Your first custom Copilot 365 agent is now in existence. Now that your agent is live, it's crucial to ensure it functions as intended. Begin testing by typing in a prompt such as, "My account won't let me log in. Can you help me figure out what's wrong?" This type of inquiry tests the troubleshooting capabilities of your Copilot agent. Once your prompt is entered, click Submit. The agent should now provide a useful, fact-based response that aligns with the instruction set you configured. Finally, explore some of the pre-made prompts available. These are handy for follow-up questions and scenarios that customers typically encounter, and they can guide continuous engagement and refinement of the AI's responses. And there you have it. You've successfully built and tested your first Microsoft Copilot 365 Customer Care Agent. With these foundational steps, you're ready to enhance customer interactions intelligently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy building!